Hi everyone, let's talk about how to fix Find My offline problem. So to fix the Find My offline problem, first verify if the device has an active Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Now, if it is truly offline, you can track it via Bluetooth mesh networks or by relying on its last known location before it powered down. So to resolve the connection or sync issue, you can start by verifying the location permission. Just go to your device settings, then go to your search bar and then type location services. Now make sure that the location services is turned on. Now scroll down to Find My and make sure that the location access is set to while using the app and the precise location is turned on. Now the next what you can do is check for date and time. Just go back, then go to General. Now scroll down to date and time and make sure that set automatically is toggled on because incorrect times can disrupt iCloud syncing. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.